Hola Marias! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be sharing with you this quick and easy chili garlic prawns recipe. So all you have to do is get your pen and paper handy and let's begin. So let's begin with the ingredients. I have here 2 cups of prawns or 1 big bowl. I actually have the frozen one, but it's definitely better if you have the fresh one. But make sure to have them deveined or cleaned. Next, I am using 5 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. For seasoning, I am using Knorr shrimp broth cubes. And then about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. My secret ingredient, RKITCHEN chili garlic oil, around 1 to 2 tablespoons depending on your spice tolerance. And then to make it sweet and soury at the same time, I'm using tomato ketchup, around 2 to 3 tablespoons. So there you have it. We only need 6 ingredients, so let's begin the cooking. On a heated pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, and I know that's a lot of butter, but that will add flavor to our dish. And do not forget to add at least a teaspoon of oil to avoid getting burnt. Once the butter is melted, all you have to do is to saute the minced garlic until it gets fragrant. Once the garlic is partially cooked or fragrant, now you can add your prawns. You can use fresh prawns, but this time I used the frozen one because that's all what we have in the fridge. Now, if you are using the medium to large size of prawns, you have to cook each side about 2 to 3 minutes so that it will not get overcooked. But since I'm using the baby frozen prawns, it will only take around 1 to 2 minutes to half cook both sides. After a few minutes, once you notice that the prawns change its color to slightly orangey color, then that's half cooked already, and we have to remove them from the pan and set it aside. Now let's make the sauce. We will be adding about 1 to 2 tablespoons of RKITCHEN chili garlic oil on the same pan. Next, we will be adding this tomato ketchup, approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons as well. And for seasoning, I will be using this Knorr shrimp broth cubes, approximately 1 cube or half, depending on the amount of prawns that you used. So basically, if you do not have the prawns cubes, you can actually use salt, pepper, or fish sauce, or maybe magic syrup as well. Now, once the sauce is fully seasoned, you can now put back the pre-cooked prawns. Now stir fry the prawns for approximately 3 to 5 minutes until it gets cooked. And there you have it, our quick and easy chili garlic prawns using our kitchen chili garlic oil. Thank you so much for watching. I hope may natutunan kayo sa recipe na ito. And if you are recreating this recipe, please make sure to tag me on all social media platforms. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Goodbye!